एक मंजिल मेरे करीब है जिसका मुझे एहसास है। गुमान नहीं मुझे अपने इरादों पे, ये मेरी सोच और हौसलों की विश्वास है। एक मंजिल मेरे करीब है जिसका मुझे एहसास है। गुमान नहीं मुझे अपने इरादों पे, ये मेरी सोच और हौसलों की विश्वास है। So here begins with just a random trial on this auspicious Independence Day. First of all, friends, I know I am neither so great nor so perfect to say anything about our great freedom fighters who, with their blood and sweat together, have made great deals for our nation. Although it seems to be very easy to stand still for our national anthem, but behind some lines and with each and every responsibilities where each and every individual is expected to contribute for our nation. Just remembering the sacrifices of all our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Patel, and many more. 15th August 1947 is the most auspicious day for every Indian because we got freedom from Britishers. And at that time, these were actually beyond our imagination. The history of slave India reveals the fact that our ancestors and forefathers have worked hard and suffered all that brutal behavior of Britishers. The blood of martyrs, unless India got freedom, used to haunt the country. But now the same blood brought this country freedom is as precious as the blood being pumped in every Indian at present. The blood of martyrs, unless India got freedom, used to haunt the country. But now the same blood brought this country freedom is as precious as the blood being pumped to every Indian at present. And so I truly assure you that whatever you read and listen is actually incomparable to the sacrifices and hardships suffered by our unsung hero freedom fighters. So it's high time and we should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we have taken birth on the land of independent India. And so, with sacrifices beyond imagination, with hardships beyond words, with love beyond measure, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद।